Okay, this question is from control system. It says consider a system described with the following state space representation. The state space representation is given, and from that representation you can find out the values of A, B, C, D. And once you find out those values, it is what is asked in this question is, if ut is a unit step input and x1 and x2 values are 1, 0, that means that initially it is not at 0 condition. So there is some initial condition also which you have to consider. Okay, so with if ut is a unit step and some initial condition is there, the value of the output yt at t is equal to 1 second is. So you need to find out the response of the system at t is equal to 1 second. So finding the response of the system, if you see, we know what? We know that yt or ys nothing but c into xs. Okay, so what we need actually is the xs, the response of this state variable. Okay, so we need to find now what is xt, the response of the state variable. Okay, xt is, so to find out xt, it is nothing but Laplace inverse of xs. And what is xs? Xs is nothing but Si minus A inverse into x0, that means initial condition, plus Si minus A inverse B into input. Okay, so this is the forced response, this is the natural response. So since there is some initial, since the system is not at 0 at initial, so you have to consider this x0 also. Okay, so first thing that you need to find out is Si minus A inverse. So A is given in this question, A is 0, 0, 1, minus 2. B is also given as 0, 1. C is also given as 1, 0. Okay, x0 is also given as 1, 0. Okay, so if I find out Si minus A inverse, so we know how to find out this inverse. So the value will be, after calculation, 1 by S into S plus 2, 0, 1 by S plus 2. So this is my Si minus A inverse. Okay, now if I put this value here and multiply with this vectors, okay, x0 and b and us, so ultimately xs, so xs of this particular thing, I'll put it here, will be 1 by s plus 1 by s square, s plus 2, 1 by s into s plus 2. So this is my xs. Okay, now if I take Laplace inverse, that means xt is nothing but Laplace inverse of this particular thing, Laplace inverse of this. So if I take Laplace inverse of this, what I will get is, after partial fraction, I will perform partial fraction here, and after partial fraction, what I will get is 0.5 t minus 0.25 plus 0.25 e to the power minus 2t. This is what I will get. 0.5 minus 0.5 e to the power minus 2t. So this is my xt. So you see yt is nothing but c into xt. Okay. Now we know what is c. C is nothing but 1, 0, and x at t is equal to 1. So y at 1 second, that means x at 1 second. So I'll put the in the value of, in the place of t, I'll put 1. So if I put 1, I'll get some values here. Okay, I'll put the values, and ultimately after calculation what I'll get is 1.284. So this is the answer that I'll get, 1.284. Okay. So this is not a tricky question. This is something which is usually we do this question. Okay, there's nothing tricky in this question. The only thing that you have to make sure is that the initial condition is not 0 in this particular case.